So we're in our garden today, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about some okra. Drew is trying to show you how tall our okra plant is. So we planted this okra. It is, when did we plant it, babe? Wait, before you cut it.
I don't know. When we planted everything else.
We planted it a couple months ago.
May.
In May, and now it is August. And as you can see, our okra is really high, and we're going to cut it off. So Drew's got to be able to reach up there. Here is an okra that is too big.
No, it's fine.
Okay, when it's about this big, that means...
That's almost too big.
Almost too big.
They say you want it to be about the size of your hand, which we won't eat this part, so...
We'll see if it's a little tougher. That isn't how it is. It's about how it is toughness. That one right there is perfect.
I can crunch it. It's good.
You see that okra, but
you use your nail.
But with the with the big okra, I have found that you can. Drew, you need a step stool. I have found that you can pickle it and also roast it. You can put it in with your other garden roasted vegetables in the oven, and it's fine. You never, or in a cast iron pan, you never noticed how tough it is, really, because you're eating it with other stuff. Look at this okra, how it's kind of grown sideways. That's not good. That means something was in its way. See, it had to push down that limb to grow, I guess. Some of our okra has been growing sideways. But this year, our okra has done really good. We're in North Carolina, and this is the first year we've ever planted okra. So we've ever planted okra, and it has done excellent. So I will say that if you're in North Carolina, put you some okra seeds in the ground, grow these guys, and roast you up some okra. It's done fabulous. Okay, Drew's going to show you what a good size okra is. Put it on your hand. You want it to be
Size of your finger.
the size of your finger.
We ate all those other ones. They were fine.
We roasted them.
Fried them.
We fried them, but
Did it like they do it.
we did fry some okra too. It was
Go out
very
to
good.
eat and they got that fried okra. Didn't know what that was. First time I had it.
So yeah, and it doesn't even take up that much room. It's got its own spot, and it shades the rest of my garden just lightly. So I would say, if you've never planted okra before, plant it. I didn't really have to do anything extra, no extra fertilization, just water about 15 minutes with my sprinkler once a day in the morning, and that is all I've done to this okra. Where's the flowers?
Up top. Here's one over here.
Here you go. Let's take a look at the flower.
Hand it here.
That's an okra flower, and once you see the flower, then the next
It
thing
twists
happens.
up and then it turns into those things and eventually that big.
Yeah, the flower falls off and it turns into a pod, which turns into an okra.
Like this one.
It tastes very good. That's still got the flower on it. Oh. Goodbye, flower.
Put it over there.
So yeah, guys, grow yourself some tasty okra.
But-
And thumbs up for this video.
But cook it before you eat it. When you cut that thing open, it is the most gross, slimy vegetable
Definitely cook it before you eat
I
it.
have ever seen. It is like, ew.
You want some okra?
It's like nasty than the human excrement.
What do you think about that okra? At least she's not scared of it.
Did you show them our tomato plant?